there, breakfast lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a divine crispy egg cheese toast that'll revolutionize your morning routine. So grab your skillet and let's get cooking. First up, you'll need some basic ingredients. A slice of your favorite bread, 1 egg, a handful of shredded cheese. I love using cheddar or mozzarella for that perfect melt, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Butter is optional, but hey, everything's better with butter, right? Now let's start with the bread. Take your slice and press a nice big hole in the center with a cup or cookie cutter, big enough to cradle the egg. Perfect. Now set that aside. Heat up your skillet over medium heat. Add a little butter if you're using it and let it melt. Now place your bread in the skillet. Crack that egg right into the hole in the bread. Ah, listen to that sizzle. Sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper over the egg. This is where the magic starts. Let the bread toast for about a minute. Then sprinkle your shredded cheese around the egg, covering the rest of the bread. The key here is to let the cheese melt, while the bottom of your bread gets nice and crispy. After about 2 minutes, once the egg whites start setting, it's time for the flip. Yes, you heard right, we're flipping it. Be gentle, give it a confident flip, and let the other side cook for another minute or so. This will ensure your egg is cooked and the cheese is deliciously golden and crispy. And voila! Slide your crispy egg cheese toast onto a plate. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh herbs or a dash of hot sauce on top. It's crispy, it's cheesy, and that egg is cooked to perfection. So there you have it, an ultimate breakfast hack that's as easy as it is delicious. It's perfect for a quick morning breakfast or a lazy weekend brunch. Give it a try and trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and quick kitchen hacks. Until next time, keep your mornings crispy and cheesy.